So this is how we can change the name of a file on iPad. Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So on your iPad, you need to open up the Files application where all of your files are stored, and you need to locate the one you want to rename, right? So you can find it as usual somewhere on your device. And essentially, you can hold down on it with more options that are going to appear, and you have the ability to click on Rename, right? So this just allows you to delete the old name of the document and replace it with a new one. So it really does make a lot of sense because sometimes you just need it for better organization. So that's how you can rename the documents. To check out more information about it, you can also hold down on it and click on the Get Info, where not only can you see the name, but also all of the file type and all of the size and when it was created and all of the other things like tags for better organization. It all can be found right at there. But this is how you can change the name of a file on an iPad. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to change it on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and in case of any specific questions, go ahead and leave them below so perhaps I can make an updated video about it, right? Because I make a lot of tutorials, but in order for you not to miss them, make sure you subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important about your devices. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.